This gorgeous electric motorcycle has been developed in the UK. The creators of the EV Twin gave it classic design features with finest materials and finishes, alongside an innovative electric drivetrain technology and power management systems. With the continuous power output of 11 kilowatts and no gears and clutch to operate like in a traditional motorcycle, this amazing automotive product offers a beginner-friendly riding experience. Although the continuous power of this bike is limited, there is enough kick to reach speeds up to 70 miles per hour.
Flux 1 is a new electric superbike that is fit to compete with its gasoline rivals, but comes with a low selling price. Powerful electric motor and high-capacity batteries enable this bike to go up to 125 miles on a range. Given that the top speed of the Flux 1 is limited to 123 miles per hour, this bike will show great performance both on city roads and on the highway.
The developers of this motorcycle are edging closer to finishing a fully functional prototype and moving to make a production model. This electric bike will first go on sale in India, with free optional performance upgrades. The information about international availability is yet to be announced. V1 could be the first cafe racer styled electric motorcycle that can replace your daily commuter without costing you a fortune. For a reasonable price, this ride offers stylish design features, decent range, zippy acceleration, fully adjustable suspension and regenerative braking tech. V1 is equipped with an onboard fast charger, meaning that it can be charged even from a standard household outlet. With fast charging, the battery could be brought to 80%, which is about 70 miles in range, in just 3 hours. The bike is offered in a regular and a special Black Edition version, which has a black matte carbon finish and a slightly larger battery pack. Harley-Davidson are sticking to their promises and bringing their first electric motorcycle to the market. It has taken the manufacturer 4 years to prepare the Livewire concept for mass production. Although the most important specifications like power, range, and pricing are to be revealed in early 2019, there are several things that we already know about this upcoming electric motorcycle. The bike will sit on a rigid aluminum frame, have a premium adjustable suspension, Brembo brake calipers, an anti-lock braking system, and an advanced traction control system. permanent magnet electric motors are to be powered by lithium-ion batteries that can support for regular and fast charging options. In the upcoming model year, this American electric motorcycle manufacturer is set to bring multiple updates to most of its diverse electric lineup. The bikes are to receive new bold styling, better performance specifications and improved battery tech for longer rides on a single charge. The improved Zero S and SR street bikes will offer 35% more horsepower and 8% higher top speed compared to previous year models. The longer range bike versions will receive updated ZF 14.4 battery packs that have some of the highest power and energy density in the class. The backwards compatible charge tank is yet another important update that will bring the support of level 2 charge stations, and reportedly adds up to 85 miles of city range after every hour of charging. The Super NEX is an innovative motorcycle that is destined to preserve the super sport bike philosophy while being all electric. Unlike other e-bikes that use single gear transmission, Super NEX features a 6-speed transmission with clutchless upshift and downshift features. It allows the rider to both enjoy a smooth riding experience and unleash full potential of electric motors. The available gears help increase efficiency and responsiveness, as well as acceleration and top speed. As a result, this superbike could reportedly accelerate from 0 to 62 miles per hour in just 2.9 seconds, while the time needed to reach 155 miles per hour is just 10.9 seconds. Despite being one of the most advanced manufacturers on the EV market, there are speculations that the future of Alta Motors remains uncertain. Hopefully, the new company will manage to surpass all the difficulties and bring to the market new and updated models, namely Redshift ST and EXR, as promised. Redshift EXR is the next generation dirt bike by Alta Motors. This new multi-terrain motorcycle comes with lights and a plate, so you'd be able to take it both to the track and to the public roads. The available battery pack is sufficient for 50 miles of city riding. The range in the off-road environment will depend on the chosen riding profile. There are 4 different types you can choose from. Redshift ST is a
beautiful street tracker motorcycle that combines flat track racing and urban commuting in one neat package. With loads of torque, this lightweight bike has a clear advantage over the competition. The range on a full charge is 50 miles, which seems to be more than enough in urban environments where finding a great charging spot is not very hard in today's world.